Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to update your Facebook app on your mobile phone, whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone. Updating your Facebook app is important because it gives you access to new features, better security and smoother performance. If your Facebook is not opening, lagging, missing new features or showing updates required, this step-by-step guide will help you to fix it by installing the latest version of Facebook. So guys, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, follow and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So the first step you have to take now is to go over to the home page of your phone. So let me go over to the home page. So if you're using an Android device, you have to go over to your Play Store. But if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, you have to go over to your App Store. So guys, since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial, let me tap on my Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, tap on your App Store to open it. So let me tap on my Play Store. You can see now my Play Store is opening. So once your Play Store or your App Store opens up, what you have to do now is to search for Facebook. So let me tap on the search icon at the bottom. So let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead now to type in Facebook by tapping on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead now to type in Facebook. You can see I've typed it, so let me tap on search. Right there guys, you can see that's the Facebook app. You can see the logo, so let me tap on it now to open it. So guys, now you can see this is the Facebook app. It's already installed, but if you look closely, you're going to see that the Facebook app is outdated. So I need to update it to get the latest version. So now to update it, I have to tap on where you can see update. So let me tap on update right away. So guys, now you can see it has started downloading. As you can see there, it is at 16%. So let's wait till it gets to 100%. So once it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's wait a few seconds. So guys, now you can see it has gotten to 100%. It's going to start installing now. Right there guys, you can see it has started installing. Right there guys, can see the app is done updating. So what I can simply do now is to tap on where you can see open. So let me tap on open. So guys, now you can see the Facebook app is opening. So with this Facebook app now, and I have the latest version of Facebook, so there's not going to be any login or any issues with my Facebook. So guys, this is how you can be able to update your Facebook app and get the latest version. And I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, do well to like, follow and leave a comment. Bye.